Hello friends, our question is find the value of a over b. From expression a plus b is equal to 6 times of under root ab. Now on solving this problem, we have a plus b is equal to 6 times of under root ab. We have to find the value of a over b. Squaring on both the sides, a plus b of whole square is equal to 6 times of under root ab square. Open a plus b of whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Right side, this square belongs to 6 square and square root of ab square. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 6 square. 6 square is 36. This square and this square root will be removed, remaining ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 36ab move to left side is equal to 0. A square plus b square plus minus subtracting 2ab minus 36ab, remaining 34ab is equal to 0. Dividing the equation by ab. A square plus b square minus 34ab is equal to 0 divided by fully equation ab. Writing the separately, a square over ab plus b square over ab minus 34 ab over ab is equal to 0. A square or this a cancel out, here b square and b cancel out, this ab and this ab cancel out, remaining a over b plus b over a minus 34 is equal to 0. Let a over b is equal to m. Then b over a would be 1 over m. Putting this value in this equation, m plus 1 over m, ab m and aba 1 over m minus 34 is equal to 0. Taking as a LCM, m here is 1 and here is 1, in this denominator 1, multiply by this m and this m square plus here is 1 and minus 34 multiply by this m is equal to 0. This m move to right side, m square plus 1 minus 34 m is equal to 0 into m. M square minus 34 m plus 1 is equal to multiply by 0 and m 0. This is quadratic equation. Now this equation is factor from factorization method does not. Now applying the law of Thairacharya on comparing the equation of normal form, am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. Comparing in this equation, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 34 and C is equal to 1. Putting these values of formula, M is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A. The values of A, values of B minus 34 minus 34 plus or minus square root of B square minus 34 square minus 4 into values of A 1 and values of C 1. Values of A 1 and values of C 1 over 2 into the values of A 1. M is equal to multiply by minus and minus is plus or minus square root of 34 square is will be 1156 minus 4 1 4 4 1 4 over 2 1 2. M is equal to 34 plus or minus square root of subtracting over 2. M is equal to 34 plus or minus square root of 1152. Breaking into two part, 576 into 2 over 2. M is equal to 34 plus or minus this part breaking, write in this form 500 square root of 576 into square root of 2 over 2. M is equal to 34 plus or minus square root of 576 is 24 and square root of 2 over 2. 34 by 2 plus or minus breaking into separately, writing in separately 24 square root of 2 over 2. M is equal to 2 1 2, 2 7 14, 17 plus or minus 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 12 square root of 2. M is equal to this 17 plus or minus square root of 12 square root of 2. Recall as B leave supposed M is equal to A over B. Let suppose M is A over B is equal to M. Recall this form. Then A over B is equal to 17 plus or minus 12 square root of 2. This is answer. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.